This is the Btalk 3 smartwatch. It's a really nicely designed, thin, smaller screened smartwatch with lots of features and capabilities. You got Bluetooth calling in this one. You have messages sent from your phone available, a pull-out tab that shows you the weather situation, time, and your most recent apps and such. You've got breakdown of your step count, your sleep time, and exercises that you've done, and each of these goes into deeper detail here, where you can see 7 days of accumulation and individual hour information. Sleep time broken down as well. You get the chart and summaries of your last several days and so forth. You've got your health information where you have heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and even stress. And each of these, again, you can go into and it'll give you the number. Immediately start doing a reading using green or red diodes appropriately and get all of that information. Phone calling, yep, you can set calls, receive calls. Siri or Google Voice AI, you can talk through your phone and interrogate it. You can get your weather forecasts in any city in Fahrenheit or centigrade together with a forecast. Remote shutter, music player that'll play music through the watch from your phone. Breathing exercises, inhale and exhale, a lot of different things there. Press the button again, you get your step count and all of the things we've just seen in the app drawer. You've got, in addition to all of the basic stuff, you have an area for games. You've got 4 different games in here. You've got the ladies' cycle information is available, a calendar, and basic settings, including stopwatches and timers, brightness level, turning on or off the phone or the streaming audio, and lots of different other controls, menu styles, reset, and so forth. In addition, you've got a nice rubberized band on this one. Oh, look at that. How fun. Bottom button, by the way, gets you into all of your exercise activity. Press and hold. You can change to a variety of different watch faces, including ones that you can customize yourself, ones that you can download from the app. Analog and even digital faces are supported. So, all in all, it's a really nice watch. Lightweight, thin, easy to operate, and inexpensive. It's the Btalk 3. Check it out.